multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities. Part 12. Question number 111. Who was the founder of the Hyderabad city and Charminar? Option A. Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah. Option B. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Option C. Abdul Qutub Shah. Option D. Abdul Hassan Qutub Shah. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah was the founder of the Hyderabad city and Charminar. Question number 112. Secunderabad was named after whom? Option A. Sikandar Pasha. Option B. Sikandar Bakht. Option C. Sikandar Jaha. Option D. Sikandar Lodi. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is Sikandar Jaha. Secunderabad was named after Sikandar Jaha. Question number 113. In Telangana, Budbunga is option A tree, option B, a bird, option C, a type of plant, option D, a fruit. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is a bird. In Telangana, Budbunga is called as a bird. Question number 114. In Telangana state, families of farmers who have committed suicide are given compensation of option A rupees 10 lakhs, option B rupees 5 lakhs, option C rupees 15 lakhs, option D rupees 6 lakhs. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is rupees 6 lakhs. In Telangana state, families of farmers who have committed suicide are given compensation of 6 lakhs. Question number 115. Out of the total labor force, the percentage of workers engaged in construction in Telangana in 2014 was option A 10%, option B 9%, option C 8%, option D 6%. Let us countdown start. Time up. This out of the total labor force, 8% of workers engaged in construction in Telangana in 2014. Question number 116. ITIR stands for option A Information Technology Investment Region, option B Industrial Technology Investment Region, option C Information Technology Based Industrial Region, option D Information Technology Investment Region. Let us countdown start. Time up. The answer is ITIR stands for Information Technology Investment Region. Question number 117. The first Open University of India was established in option A Hyderabad, Option B, Ahmedabad. Option C, Allahabad. Option D, New Delhi. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is Hyderabad. The first Open University of India was established in Hyderabad. Question number 118. As per 2011 census, density of population in Telangana state. Option A 306, option B 350, option C 382, option D 390. Let us count on start. Time up. The answer is 306. As per 2011 census, density of population in Telangana state is 306. Question number 119. Hyderabad Tenancy and Agriculture Land Act was enacted in the year. Option A 1948, option B 1950, option C 1956, option D 1975. Let us count and start. Time up. The answer is 1950. Hyderabad Tenancy and Agriculture Land Act was enacted in the year of 1950. Question number 120. Which district has the highest ST population share in its total population? Option A Khammam, option B Adilabad, option C Nalgonda, option D Warangal. Let us count on start. Time up. The answer is Khammam. Khammam district has the highest ST population share in its total population. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.